Sujata from Saraswati Group of Education. So students, as I am alone in the class, I am removing my mask so that you can hear my voice carefully. Students, we are going to learn computer subject of grade 4, chapter number 1, recap. Recap of our previous session which you have already learned in your last grades. So students, here our session 1 is introduction to computer. Now say, what is computer? What do you think? What is computer? Computer is a machine, right? Machine which works by the electricity. And it performs various functions as well as various tasks in your life. How it performs various tasks? Have you ever visited the malls? Yes, absolutely. We are going to malls to buy the home groceries, for new clothes, for some chocolates, and many more things you are going and buying from the mall. So what will you do? In the mall, you are going, and at the time of billing, whenever you pay the amount, what the person do from the mall, they just enter the data, the items which you have taken, which you have purchased, they will enter the data in that and will print it out the bill from the computer. So their computer are used. So students, in this chapter we are going to learn about parts of computers, some more parts which are important to learn in the computers, uses of computers and characteristics of computers. So our chapter is so small to learn and very interesting to learn. So today we are going to learn about parts of our computer by seeing it. How we will see it? I will show you. Yes, I will show you. But first of all, you have to learn what is a computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine and the device which is made up of devices that help to perform various functions like entering data, to process it and to give the output from the computer with the help of input devices and output devices. This is known as computer. So what are the parts of computer? First part of computer is monitor. This is not a monitor which is kept in your class. This is not your friend which is a monitor of your class. No. This is a monitor which exactly looks like your TV screen. Okay. So second one is mouse. Mouse. What do you think? How mouse look like? Mouse does not look like rat. No, it doesn't look like rat. It just look. I will show you. That's a surprise. The next one is CPU. CPU means this is a central processing unit. Central processing unit is known as CPU. The next one is keyboard. Keyboard. This keyboard doesn't mean the key. Doesn't mean the key of your lock of your vehicle. No, it doesn't mean the key. It means the keys which are pressed by us in a big board, in a rectangular board. So now let us see the parts of our computer. First part of the computer is monitor. So this is the monitor. Did you see it? This is exactly looking like your TV screen. Video is displayed over here. Your picture is also displayed over here. The YouTube channel is also displayed over here. The cartoons are also displayed over here. Etc. things are displayed on this screen. The thing which you input in the computer will display over here and will give you the output. Next one is mouse. What is the mouse? How mouse look like? What do you think how mouse look like? Mouse exactly look like a rat. Yes, this is the mouse. Can you see it? This is the mouse and this is the cable of the mouse which we have to put it into the CPU. This mouse have 3 buttons. First right click, left click and center button. This one, like this, you have to hold the mouse. You have to hold the mouse like this. What will you do? You will press right click, left click and center button. This is the scrolling button. This is the scrolling button. Look, it is rolling like this, up and down, up and down, up and down. It is rolling like this. So this is called mouse. Next one is keyboard. How keyboard look like? This is our keyboard. Keyboard have many keys like A to Z, 1, 0 to 9. Over here it is also 0 to 9. Enter key, plus sign, minus sign, etc. Addition, subtraction. We can also perform various tasks in computers by adding all these devices to it. Now second thing, last thing we are going to see is a CPU. So students, this is the CPU of our computer. It is also known as the brain of a computer. This is the power button which you have to on, this button so that the computer will shut on. The computer will be started. This is the main part of a computer which you can store and you have to keep it with your computers. It is given some other parts of our computer. First part of our computer is printer. How printer is used and where printer is used? Printer is used in many places where you have to print out the copy. How will you print it out? Look, this page is also print out with the help of printer. Now read it. A printer is used to print pictures or letters on a paper. A printer is used to print a picture or a letter on a paper. Next one is speaker. Speakers are used for listening to the sound of music, movies and video games. Pictures are used to hear the sound. Speakers are used to hear the sound of music, movies, video games, etc. In your computer you have speakers and you are voluming up the sound so that you can hear and you can enjoy very much. Next one is microphone. Microphone looks like this. This is the microphone. This is known as microphone. A microphone is used to record video, to record voice or sound, generally as a wave file. Means just now I am speaking, so I am uttering it directly. But if I have kept microphone, then the mic, with the help of the mic of microphone, I can deliver my voice very betterly and very minutely. It can be used for voice dicto programs as well. Means, what is mean by voice dicto program? Many of the teachers are using mic and microphones to deliver a lecture. How? By microphones is being connected to a speaker which is attached with it, and the sound which I am speaking, just like that the sound that teacher will speak with the help of microphone, the quality of the sound will be increased, and also the volume of sound will also increase. Next one is hard disk. A hard disk is like the memory of a computer, just like a CPU. CPU stores hard disk inside them and is used to store pictures and text. The hard disks are used to store pictures and text. That means this is also can be stored in the hard disk. These are the text which is written over here, and these are the pictures which you can see over here in your notebook or textbook, and that is also stored in the hard disk. Next, it is connected to central processing unit. That means our CPU, which we have already seen of a computer. A hard disk must be present in the CPU for the computer to function it properly. As I have told you previously, the hard disk is stored in the CPU. We can see hard disk, but we have to open up the CPU. After that we can see the hard disk. Next one is CD drive. CD drive means the drive in which we are inputting our CD. CD means compact disc, which is storing many of the memories, many of the pictures, many of the movies in it, so that you can carry with you easily anywhere, any place. CD drive. A drive is a removable media storage which can be removed from CPU. Is also known as CD-ROM, DVD, CD-R drives allow us to record information on a compact disk and to store data or to save a file. That means a CD is helping us to store all the data just like compact disk. But here students, the function of compact disk and compact disk, that means CD and hard disk, are different. How these are different? It is different by we cannot remove hard disk, but we can remove and carry a CD with us anywhere at any place. Next one is floppy drive. Floppy drive means a hard drive has additional drives like E drive, F drive, G drive, D drive, etc. to store particular work as assigned. That means what work are assigned to the particular drives as stored in the particular place. Like if we teachers are assigned to teach you, then we have to teach you. And if the students are assigned to sit in the class and learn something new, then you have to learn something new by the teachers. So floppy drive is also giving various drives which have particular tasks which are already assigned to them. The floppy drive are 5 small disks for storing the data and are inserted in the computer. Floppy drives are mainly 5 drives which are storing in one and which is inserted in the computer. Both the devices are in the CPU. Means floppy drives and that 5 drives are all these devices are stored in the CPU. So here CPU is known as the brain of a computer. So thank you students, thank you for hearing and learn more and more about computer.